La la la, wait till I get my money right. But wait till I get my money right. Oh, it's gotta be. I wanna with you, please. Oh, la 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 la. Zobingelela nje angihleli. Aze nitshela ukuthi ngihleli bafethu ayibona. Usade ngigcina ngisanazi. I'm just checking something la. Before ngiqala ukeketha nje. Sa. Swani la. Swani. Oh la 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 la, wait till I get my money right. Abona ke angishaya ke lento le. Ish. Swani, okay. Alright, lento engifuna ngiyitholi, ne? It's fine, vele ngiyeke. Kushuthi mhlamba kudalela ukuthi ngiyenze. Why? Oh, okay. Ngazi ukuthi ngizoyenza la. Ay. Leave it. Uzone. Sanibona ngibingelele. Ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila, ngisikhumbule nje namhlanje. Yeah, it is like that. Ngizwe nginikhumbule namhlanje. Ngifisa ukunibona, ngifisa ukuba nani ngoba nginikhonzile ngiyanithanda. Sengihlangana nani nje kwi-comment section here and there, but ngikhona bafethu angendawo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nje ukuthi we are still together, we are still a family, we are still rising. Bafethu into ebaluleke kakhulu empilweni yethu ukuthi siwine. We gotta win, we gotta win, we gotta be successful. It depends ukuthi wena success uyidefine kanjani. It depends. Nkosami lebo lesinamo nizongigcolisela izinto eziningi ke la. Yabo nje buka ngathi ngumangcola ke manje. Bench sawubona mfethu, bench sawubona, bench mfethu. Guys, we gotta win, we gotta win, we gotta be successful. Uthi ke i-success ithini kuya ngawe ukuthi uyidefine kanjani success ngokwakho wena. Ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kuba nemoto eziwu5, nemizi ewu5, no 3 million ebank, nama properties ay rental, mhlawumbe nama stocks, you are owning some stocks. Nonkosikazi omuhle mhlawumbe nonkosikazi abawu3, noma mhlawumbe ushade nendoda yakho own private ukuthi mhlawumbe i-success kuwena yona leyo. Okay, then you need to work towards that. You need to be successful then. Sawubona Zungu, phindile. Sawubona nganya wethu, ngiyakubingelela. Yeah, success fethu is subjective, yabo. Kodwa mina ngayisho ngesuccess bafethu ukuze ungayinqumeli ugodweni. Ngathi mina ukuba successful kusho ukuthi you are constantly working towards what you want to achieve. That is a success, bafethu. A success leyo bafethu. Trusting the process, constantly working, because i-intensity ayibalekile ukuthi ujime kakhulu namhlanje waphakamisa izinsimbi eziningi noma wazungeza iground ka20. Ayibalekile lonto. Into ebalekile ukuthi can you maintain. Ungcono ngabe umuntu ozungeza iground kabili usukwini every day okunomuntu ozungeza iground ka20 ngosuku olulodwa imvalo ungaphindi umbone. Uyibiza ngani ke lonto? Mkapazi mfethu. That's not success my brother. Uyabonakho but njani? Oh, uyaba nakho but ungakutholi ukuthula. Yeah, womkapazi ngoba ngishilo ngathi mina i-success mfethu subjective. I-subjective success. Omunye uthi success leyo, yabo? Wena uthi akuyona. yena omunye uthi that's success, yabo. And only if esefika kuleso sigaba sokuthi abone ukuthi no, I was wrongly defining success, yabo. Ubench laphana uthi uyajabula siyajabula mawuphila mhlonishwa, siyaphila nathi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu ubench, asiphile nje bafethu, sekuningi kakhulu kusamele sikwenze kulo mhlaba lo. Ngicebo laphana amakhanya uthi ke yeah, showing up every day, yeah, truly matters. Abafethu lento show mina mfethu, show up mfethu, show up mfethu. Even ngabe kuthiwa mfethu awuzukwenza kube perfect, but show up, it's fine. Show up even though ungabi ne perfection mindset, even ngeke kuze kube perfect. You know ukuthi why you are showing up. Into alekile ilama neural connections. Uyayazi indlela engahanjwa ukuthi yena indlela engahanjwa nje izokwena vele eventually. Phinda uqale phansi futhi uyihlakule futhi uphinde uhambe kuyona. Ngcono ukuthi uhambe kuyona. Ngisho kuthiwa awusazi ukuthi uyapi. Hamba kude kuyona. Khona ingeze ukwena. So kusho ukuthi show up, ngisho kuthiwa akuzukuba perfect ngalelo langa noma you don't feel like, but silungile, show up. Ungabi ne all or nothing mentality. Just show up, because your neural connections azokusiza in a long run. Your neural connections, your neural pathways. Affect success, like what you call a success when it's a combination, yabo. It's a combination of lezi zinto lezi ezincane ozenzayo daily, yabo. I'm telling you mfethu, usniper la put effort counts of perfection. Yeah, that's what I say mfethu. Show up mfethu, show up. Make sure that you show up. Ngisho kuthiwa akuvume, show up. Ngisho kuthiwa wenza okuncane, wenzela lokhu mfethu, wenzela lokhu kwakho. Yabo lokhu kwakho make kwajwayela ama neural connections mfethu. Yabo khona umuntu othe vuka ekuseni nje already usedefeathiwe, usehlulekile. Ngisho ngamnikeza iopportunity perfect kangakanani, uzoyishintsha le opportunity ibe imess. Ngisho ngamnikeza ilemonade, uzoyishintsha yena yenze lemon. Yezo ngendlela yama neural connections akhe la, indlela imindset yakhe iyona, iwiring yakhe ikwazi ukushintsha iperfect opportunity iyenze ibe imizakhe. Indlela nje yena ayiyo. Ngisho ngamnika imillion, ngisho ngamnikeza u2 million, ngisho ngamnikani, kuyafana. It's not a faith, it's not a matter of ukuthi mele ube nalezi zinto. Qala ulungise isikopho qala. God will never give you money you have no wisdom to make. Bafo lento kade ngangikulalela, it makes sense. Wayifundela yini wayifundela yini leshandisa ngathwasiswa yiyona universe nje mfethu mina ngama experiences engihlangane nawo empilweni. Benje kunjalo nje neconsi liyagcwalisa ibhakethi. Sure mfethu, that's a great analogy. Benje, that's a very very great analogy, yabo. Mfethu namhlanje isihloko bengifuna sikhulume ngaso ikarma, yabo. Ngifuna sikhulume ngekarma bafethu namhlanje. Ngifuna sikhulume ngekarma because yazini yonke into bafethu engicela nikwazi, ayikho into la emhlabeni engeyona ikarma. Yonke into ekhona la emhlabeni ikarma. Karma means action. Yes. There is no life without karma. Ngiyaphinda futhi, there is no life without karma. Karma is action we super B yoba sengishilo. Hlumsile hi Bheki, ungadinwa bafo uma amagama abuye esishiye endleleni, akunankinga. Amagama abuye esishiye ayibamba ngendlela lwazi. Uthi do you know book of wisdom? Angaze ngiyifunde but ngiyengibone la ku social media kukhulunywa ngayo. Karma action. There is no reaction. ayikho into engaba i-reaction without action. Nothing escapes the law. There are different planes where the karma may be initiated, but every reaction kusuke kukhona action preceding that reaction. Uyayizwa lona? So life is all about karma. Ayikho into engeyona karma. Sizwana? Nalo mzimba wakho lo uyikarma ngokwawo. Ukuthi uhlala eSouth Africa, it's a karma. Ukuthi uzalwe abazali abakuzalayo, it's a karma. Your gender is a karma. Everything that has to do with you is a karma. Karma, what type of karma is that one? It is a prarabdha karma that you cannot change, right? This thing is a prarabdha karma that you cannot change. You cannot change a karma that causes akhona that has already taken place. You cannot change that karma because the causes has already been initiated. Then the effect has to play. Ngikhulume kahle ke lento ngoba ngiqale la khona kade ngithi mina you need to show up. Yabona i-success lokho nosokubiza ukuthi i-achievement, achieving your goals. Leyo nto leyo iyobe isikarma kuwena. Yes. Leyo nto leyo kuyobe kuyikarma yakho leyo, achieving your goals, because there's action and reaction. Angeke izikunethe leyo mvula. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi kanjani kube sekukhona abantu nje abazalelwe emndenini right kwasho kwacisha wala. Kumele uyazi ukuthi ikarma ihlukene. Khona isanchita karma. Yes. Khona isanchita karma. Every total karma yama lives, all your lives. That is what? It's impossible to escape reincarnation. Is it possible to escape reincarnation? Kusho uMichek. Yabo lento ibuza we uMichek. Ukuthi is it impossible yini? Ukubalekela leyo nto leyo ikarma leyo kwayona. Thank you so much for it. Thank you so much Makesi, thank you so much. Kuyilokhu ngana kwakona lokho. Kuyikarma ku reincarnate. Yabo kuyikarma kwakona lokho. Kusho ukuthi you still have a business with this physical dimension. Uzo escape kanjani reincarnation? Escape reincarnation ngokuthi wena you don't initiate any new karma right now. You don't initiate any new karma because i-universe isebenza ngebalance. If izinto zingabalansile, you need to come back and rebalance it because it's an energy at the end of the day. It's nothing, you know, ukuthi it's a punishment or i-universe nje. It's all about balance. Angizazi na ukuthi ngeke sikwazi iglobe ukuthi siqhume ku-positive kuphela, mase sibuye sifane no-negative bese iyakha. Umuntu sibe khona umuntu wesifazane, yabo. Kumele izinto zonke zibalance, ayikho into emele ingabalance. Wena lelo kungana le yabo nje ake ngibeka nje lento le. Ish, yabo le mpahla yami siziyaphula ke man. Kwale nama cloves. Ungaphetha. Cloves asiza kwe-intuition yakho. Ngiyabhayitha ngempela ngeke ngwaye. Especially la social media kube nezilungu cloves. Ngiyathanda lo bubi mabi kamnandi. Baba. Okay, bengisathini kwami? Ukuze zonke izinto ezimbi kuvele kuthiwe zinempilo. Ama-cloves kodwa kusona impilo, kusho zonke izinto ezinhle kodwa mahambe shame. Kodwa ke ngahlukana nama-cloves. Ngahlukana nama-bay leaves, yes. Washisa ama-bay leaves. Ngahlukana ne-rosemary. Ngahlukana rosemary nanye konje. Ekuningi lezi nama-incense. Sandalwood, white sage. Yabo lezi zinto lezo sixosha nembuye emibi. Ube nazo nje. Nani manje yini engishiyayo? Yeah, basically lokho. Cinnamon, yes, cinnamon. ngazi abanye ngeke beze bekhuluma ngokuthi uma befuna ukumithisa kwasho kwacisha ngesinamoni bakhuluma izinto eziningi abantu kodwa nje ngikwazi ukuthi ya lezi zinto zine energy very powerful yabo ama gloves aphethe the fire element spirit Lemon yes zinhle manje kunjalo izinto kanje ama gloves awu3 ngosuku bese uya affirm I am positive, I don't fail, I fulfill my cosmic purpose without ubelieve kule nto eshoyo bese uyaphuma uyahamba uyabangena emsebenzini uzobona yazi ukuthi kunelokhu ngana noma ngine mucus noma what you call this thing le yala ngiyathimula manje amakhala amayalo khunja nje ayaluma but ke ngikho ke emakhaleni alumayo Mpembe uthi bhuti nginokubona ama video akho cha uyabeka ngiyabonga mfowethu lalela ke la bengikhona bengikhuluma ngayo ikarma ngithi ngiyabona sengigxila kuma gloves wangceba umakhaya gloves water bengiyiphuza every morning since the start of the month yabona ngathi ngwafaya kakhulu uyabona hey hayi ngathi kuyashuba ngwafaya kakhulu vele ngawagaqa ngaye kungishuba ababa npo fire hoza umlilo fire all right uthi ulokungana lapha uhlumsile is having kids ayikho into engayona ekhaya uhlumsile ayikho ikhaya ayikho into engayona ekhaya la uthi uchazelele kanje this place esikuyona le physical world is a plane of effect angizwa this is a plane of effect so yonke into eyenzeka la ama effect so nakho lokho kuyikarma ngokwakho yabo Wendy self love puti siyabulisa I just saw a few videos about girls and heaven in the yes ngiyayibona le video engicine ukuyenza leyo video engicine ukuyenza leyo yabona ke Sanchita karma total yakho leyo total karma yakho leyo uzolokhu utomula kuyona nje uza la le karma le yakho oyitomula ku Sanchita karma le karma osuyi-accumulate konke ama past lives akho uzomela ukuthi kuzoba cause and effect market ukuthi uthathe a point of it uzoyisebenza kule hello buhle kuzomela uzoyisebenza la kusiza ngani ufikile lapha imele ukuthi kusiza ngani bakithi lama herbs masiwadla or siphuza uthi ngibo ayele kube uthisha ohlakaniphile vele ya uthisha uthisha iprofession yami engayifundela ukuba uthisha wesiphesihle efikile lama herbs uthi ngichazela kanje efikile yabona ayikho into engenayo energy ama commentary azogcina sebaleka la ayikho into engenayo energy efikile yonke into iqala ibe energy before ibe physical yonke into enethiwa morphic field yes energetic blueprint yayo yonke into literally yonke into so ama herbs energetic quality ethile nawo ngokwawo angithi uyazi nje lento lombuzo obuza ufana nokuthi kusiza ngani ukuphuza amaphilisi ekhaya kusiza ngani ukuphuza umuthi wesisu lezo zinto zine energy ethile yes ekwathatha umzimba ayilaphi umuthi awulaphi umzimba kodwa leyo mithi leyo ikwazi ukuthatha umzimba iubeke ku state iu-enable ukuthi ukwazi ukuzilapha akekho umuntu okwazi ukulapha umzimba uzilapha wona phela nina nithatha imithi ibeka ku state esithile So lezi zinto ke lama herbs lawa nawo ane energetic blueprint ethile yawo ayiphethe. Yes, ane energetic blueprint yawo ethile eresonate nento ritual. Siza ngalokho. Siza ngalokho. Umuthi nomuthi unento oyenzayo. Umuthi nomuthi unento oyenzayo. Umuthi nje ayona into esingayeke ukuyisebenzisa. Umuthi siyawusebenzisa. Yabo? Umuthi siyawusebenzisa nje umuthi. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa uphuza umuthi womkhuhlane noma uphuza amaphilisi noma wenzani, umuthi uyawusebenzisa nje. Yabo? Ngisho ngabe wena uthi usindisiwe usebenzisa umuthi uyawusebenzisa. Mawuphuza amaphilisi usebenzisa umuthi. Mawuphuza umuthi womkhuhlane usebenzisa umuthi. Yonke into nje ozofuna ukuyihila ngayo in any way, physically or emotionally or spiritually, umuthi loyo une energetic blueprint ethile. Ufuna leya ke energetic blueprint ethile. Into ibe nama biological benefits, ibe nama spiritual benefits. Wena ke khona umzokuthetha cinnamon enyeni sami 1 2 years esimini sami. Yes, that is a biological benefit. Spiritually there are benefits as well. Okumele ukwazi lapho kusukhuluma ngequantum physics, usukhuluma quantum mechanics beyond physical. What else this thing, what energy does thing possess? Yabo? Ngoba ayikho into engenayo energy first. That is why impilo nasemaphusheni akho ufuture self owena le future self ufuna ukuba uye ophila lempilo afuna ukuyiphila, kumele uqale uresonate ne-energy yakhe lo future self first. Yes, kumele uqale uresonate ne-energy yakhe first. Ma uresonate ne-energy ka future self, i-biology yakho izoshintsha bese ama-decisions owathatha practically. Ama-cells akhona phela you can't act, you can't think more than you believe first, and you act more than you feel. You think, you believe, you think, you feel, you act. So kumele ukuthi u-align the future self. If you align with the future self, you need to feel the elevated emotions that you will feel if you are that kind of a person. In that way, energetically, ayikho into exhumanisa ne-past ne-future, i-energy, emotions into exhumanisa ne-past ne-future. Ayithi makudlala ingoma ethile ukhumbula into, makwenza into ethile ukhumbula into ethile. Yini leyo i-energetic bani tie exhumanisa ne-past ne-future. So uyakwazi ukuxhumana ne-future self, i-energy ye-future self. Once uyaxhumana ne-energy ye-future self, i-biology izoresponda to that. Nakhona ke lama herbs, that's what we want. That energetic configuration of blueprint. Ngiyaphendulile la. Ngiyabonga Sipesihle la ubungincoma. Why is ubala umishek uthi why is in a dream would we able to fly, do supernatural things, and on earth we cannot. Oh, phela we dream awusebenzisa physical world, usebenzisa astral world. Astral, like you don't use the physical body, you are using the astral body, ne? Because ma we dream we lower astral. So ma we dream uyakwazi ukungena ngala odongweni uphume ngale. Angithi ukubona kwi dream uthi ukadula usuyibona ukwenye indawo. Lo mzimba ohamba ngawo ukuhamba ngalo mzimba lo kumele ukuthi uprotect. Ma ubhekile nje, ma uvukile ubhekile kanje, lo mzimba kumele uprotect, unakele, ne? Ngoba wona mzimba lo travela ngawo owenza ama astral travels, ngiyokwazi la ka physical phela you are bound by the law of physics. Uma ukuthi wena you want to escape the laws of physics, kumele ukuthi unyuke high wangampela kwi consciousness, unyuke high kwi consciousness, and it requires lot of work. I don't know whether you can do that in this lifetime, because phela mase usuwenza umsebenzi nanokuflota kanje emoyeni, ngoflota kanje phela kubantu kuye kuyenzeka kwenye dimension lapho kodwa dimension kuma dimensions of time khona alpha uze kuyofika kubani no khona okungana phakathi maningi ama-things alapha phakathi ngoba sengithi mapha lapha phakathi we are stepping outside of time. You are stepping outside of ziningi kakhulu izinto ezikhona la kwa spiritual lento oyibonayo amanga umdlalo oyibonayo ma uthi go up the ladder akwenze lesibona kanje ngesibonelo kancane nje uphuma kancane kwi-topic uphuma nje kancane hey isidina nale network ibona lokho inqamuka kanje uphuma nje kancane la topic isikhathi yabo into esayo thina ne-infinite now engapheli ukuthi sithi infinite nje nakho lokho kuyinciphisa into nje e-timeless imanje nje timeless bese thina si proportionate ngesikhathi yabo kodwa yona imanje into ekhona imanje kuphela yabo there's no future there's no past but compartmentalize le now ngokwesikhathi uyakwazi ukuthi step outside of time and see something that's still going to happen yabo uyakwazi ukuthi step out of time your own consciousness your own limitation and see something that's still going to happen angwenze lesibonelo kanje ake ngithi usendlini e11 rooms angithi wena uzobona into la kule room yakho kuphela eyenzeka kule room okuyona kuphela limited by the space and time uzobona into la kuphela kodwa uma usuku unyuka uphumela ngaphandle kweroof ayithi uphumela ngaphandle kweroof for simplicity reason ayikho iroof like ekuvimbile ukuthi ubone phakathi uzonyuka angithi ukuthi manje mawunyuka uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi kuleli camera kwenzakalani kulela camera kwenzakalani kulela camera uma unyuka uzokwazi nanokubona kamakilwane uphinde musa ebhanoyini uyazi ukuthi le ndawo ohlala kuyona ivele beyiphisinyana ibe ngakho le ndawo ohlala kuyona so lento ikutshela ukuthi nike nakwa consciousness if you go up the ladder spiritually you elevate your level of consciousness you do your meditations you do your spiritual work ugcina usukwazi ukubona lento abantu abathasa engazi uyakwazi ukubona ngoba sikho isikhathi yonke into yenzeka manje vele yonke into iqala yenzeke energetically in fact yazi ukuthi impilo is like going reverse but going forward. I may not go there with that topic because bengilento ungangitshele ngendaba kaMoringa bandla no stem cell ukangitshele ngabo no ya uMoringa stem cell ojiaja lingi yabo kunalama products lawa nje akangitshele ngawo will catch up on YouTube Mholi kunjani changes does karma exist or we pretend like it exists just because it makes us feel better iya exist ikarma Mholi iya exist ikarma karma is life yona life leyo phela athi ngikwenzele kanje uma ngabe ukuthi kuthulekile ake sisinaka umfula ucwebile umfula ucwebile akuthule nje ucwebile muwaphosa ije lapho ba sekunama ripple effect that is the cause yona into eyenzeka leyo muhlehla yonke lento iyikarma action reaction kuze kufike la kodwa yonke into omuhlehla iqala phi single point big bang boom yabo big bang maningi ama universe akhona except le universe oyibonayo noma le universe le uma kwenzeka i-big bang kunama causes and effects series of causes and effects njengoba ukhona nje wena angithi it's a cause and effect esuka kuphi khokho le owenze ukuthile nayo kwaze kwafika wena kwaze ufika la kuwena and now we are still initiating your own karma ukuthi ukhona ingane yakho ukuze ukhona ingane yakho uhlangane nalomuntu owazala ingane nje awuvelanga nje wathathwa lapha phambi kwakho khonto eyenzeka kuqala yezo mhlawumbe uma ungasuhlehle nje uzona nawe ukuthi kuzelana uze nifike nina sesinengane khona hlehla mhlawumbe kube awuzange uye ukufunda kulesa sikole wawungeke uhlangane nothisha ukuthi ok-influence ukuthi wenze i-course ukuthi uhambe ufunda endaweni ukuthi it's a series of causes and effects how life is mfethu. Namanje still we are initiating another cause that will come into effect. Karma is life. It's just that. Karma is life. Kune karma yakho wedwa, kune karma yendawo ohlala kuyona, kune karma yonke indawo nation. Njengoba ngise live ke mina. Uthi ngibo. Ngoba kuse nje. Usho ukuthi ngoba ngushelanga lo live ukuze abone ukuthi I'm still live. What? Yazwana into lalelayo. Lalelayo mkhonzile. Ngise live nje manje. Alright, sure. Yeah. Sorry about that. Let me go over your comments again. Fikile uthi ngizwa kahle, wangichazela kahle. Thank you. Danko. Ngikhawula ngikhawula ngidisconnecta ngabe umhle ngikhawula le ngimcabangayo yini. Ngidisconnected ne-energy yami. How to connect back, please help. Udisconnected, yabo njengoba uzwa ukuthi udisconnected ne-energy yakho, uzwa kanjani ukuthi disconnected, then the very same thing ekwenza ukuthi uzwe ukuthi udisconnected iyona emele ukuthi kutshele kumele ukuthi wenzeni. It can give you a problem without giving you a solution. Mhlambe khona izinto ozenzayo, noma khona imicabango ecabangayo, noma khona izinto ogxile kuzona, noma khona ama-burdens akuwarishayo, kodwa ngeke ikunike into ingakunikezi i-solution. Phela ngithi you can detect ukuthi you are disconnected, kuthi yenzani to feel connected, to feel grounded. I know ukuthi most of the time la kusuke kumele uqale khona, kusuke kumele ukuthi uqale uthi let it go of your burdens. Ila siqala khona nje, let's go of your burdens first. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi baba disconnected ngoba they are worried about other stuff. Most cases they are worried about other stuff, or they are recurring thoughts they keep on repeating. Ithi yenzani into yakho ukuze ukwazi ukureconnecta back. Try meditating, yabo that is it. Ukuthi abantu banenkinga la we check nge-meditation ngivele ngayi ngoba uthatha umuntu usefrayona meditate, angikwazi ukumeditate lento abathi angenzi iyona kanye lengihlulayo, avele umuntu abe frustrated even more ke, yabo. Kanti ekugcineni bekumele ukuthi ugcine uyenze meditation ofasa a point elilodwa for an extended period of time. Focus point elilodwa at least, yabo. Focus nje point elilodwa 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That one is meditation. Focusing one thing for extended time. Meditation is not about stopping your mind from thinking, but it is to be aware that your mind is thinking and return back to where you are focusing. That means we need to act out our future. No, you need to do what is necessary now. That is the law of karma, food. Hey, good people. That is the law of karma, food. umthetho wekarma uthi your past, present and future is somewhat connected. Yes, you are here because of your past. Yabo, because your past actions, they led you to this current reality. What you do from this current reality will lead you to the future reality. That is a connection. You cannot just wake up and find yourself how a very like on top. No, it all that depends on actions that you take now. Right? So your past, present and future are somehow connected, or is somehow connected. So that is the law of karma. Law of connection under the 12 laws of karma. But at the same time, number 6 uthi ulo number 6 lengimshoyo nenye law nganoma law number 18 uthini, you cannot be present if you are thinking about your or worrying about the future for that matter. You cannot be present if you are constantly thinking about your past or worrying about your future for that matter. Angizwa yabona ukuthi that is the law of presence, ukuthi you can only be here and now. Uyayibona lonto? That is the law of presence under the law of karma. So kusho ukuthi now, the now is more important than the past and the future. The now is more important than your past. Learn from your past. Take the lesson. And now, take the necessary actions for your future. Ne? Take that, because you are not going to wake up and find yourself in a very like present future self without relevant actions. So now is a very important time that you have. But the very same now will lead you to a desired future reality. But you don't need to worry about the future, because you cannot be here now when we are still worrying about the future. That is the law, under the law of karma. Kanjani changes, does karma exist or we ukhayo mpembe uthi mpembe kahle kahle buti cela ukubuza ukudla imali ngotshwala, does it mean karma izokwenza uzisole ngalo? I-karma phela in reaction, kune karma that is related to that. Angithi yabo ukudla imali ngotshwala, that is a action, right? There are corresponding reactions based on that. Yabo, there are corresponding reactions based on that. So for an example, lo nto siyazi ukuthi utshwala bu-addictive. Yabo, siyazi ukuthi utshwala bu-addictive. Kunento eyithile, kune energy around bona futhi at the same time. Yabo, kune energy ethile around them. Njengoba wazi ukuthi it's alcohol, mind and body eating spirit. Ngenzeka ngelinye ilanga uphuze and things start to go south. Ngenzeka there's a lot that might happen. It all yabo, it depends. Ayikho esihlulela ukuthi le yimbi akufanele ukuthi uyenze, le yini kodwa yonke into kahle ikhama ithi yonke into inama consequences ayo. So wena buka ukuthi ama consequences kahle kahle lento ihamba kanje. Naku umthetho wekarma uthi history will repeat itself unless changed. Yes, it will repeat itself unless changed. Uzophinda phinda amaphutha afanayo until you change. So if uphuza utshwala kunendawo ukufaka kuzona that are not pleasing you, obviously you need to change. Ayikho into esithi thina yeke noma iqala kuyo ukuthi le reaction zona ayamukela, is it what you want na? Yabo, Because if that's not the case, then you need to change. That is the law of karma. You are going to repeat the same mistake. You are going to experience the same reality until you change. As long as it's fine what you're doing, then continue doing it. Because again, under the laws of karma, when a law of humility, anything you fight, anything you resist will persist. Anything you resist will persist. If you see that you have a problem, you need to admit, because if you admit, you are going to gain powers to solve that problem. Because now you admit that there is a problem. There's no problem you can solve if you can't admit there is a problem there. You see, you need to admit first before you gain a efficacy to solve that problem. That is the law of efficacy. That is the law of humility under the laws of karma. So akufuneki islo into siyifihla sishawa identity okureceivayo kwi-front end is as a result of what is happening with back end. So what you receive in the front end, if it knows what you like, then we are able to change things around. Umthetho futhi law, that is the law of responsibility. Your own life is your own doing. Yabo, is your own responsibility. The law of karma is everything, baba. Karma is everything. Karma will make you to live the law of 3D world apana usniper uthi 3D world is a limitation and your astral form is the real you that is very powerful. Yes, kunjalo nje. The astral form is not limited by space and time. Yeah. Usenzo maphumulo uthi shop signa ine website yakho yavele yangixaka. Bekumele uthi reach out phela kwi WhatsApp number. Ikhona nje WhatsApp number ekhona la kwi profile. Le ekhona la kwi profile yami, yabo. Ungayibhala ngokusanjani u079 845 besithi 39 besithi 62. Ya WhatsApp iyafonelwa, but preferably unga WhatsApp yabo 079 845 3962. Mawuhlangana nenkinga. Lokuthi njalo possibilities are infinite in the US. Kunja fowethu. Njalo nje. Cancel Bruce. Ngiyabonga bhuti. Danko Mholi. Hayi uqedile bhuti omdala ngiyabonga. Danki Mholi. Ngcono maniphenduleka bafowethu. Uhleshezi lol leyo ringtone ngayigcina nini. Vele ngisaqhunga. So ngiba how can you find purpose if and leave it instead of following this system we are trapped in. Awuthi ngicela ukulo into yami siphelile la ephuzwana. Athi ngiphinde lawo ama gloves la. Ungabuze yona ishuba. So uphuza ngani? Athi nihlezi kanjani lapho yezweni ngoba njalo lapha emhlabeni nihlezi kanjani lapho la nikhona ngoba lapha emhlabeni ufa awunanembeza ngithathela abazali bami. Yebo, I'm back by popular demand. Ithi ke into ke ukuze uphile ipurpose yakho instead of following the system and being trapped. Nayo into yokuqala mfethu, kumele udansele isiginci sakho ukuqala lokho. Kumele udansele isiginci sakho kube yisocial ikhuzayo. Kumele ukwazi nje lokho ukuthi wena uyisocial ikhuzayo. Kumele wazi the bus stops with you. Into yokuqala leyo, the bus stops with you. Okwesibili, angani ngokuqala ngibeke kanje lokho ukuthi bus stops with you. Ngiba isocial ikhuzayo. Lo nto ihambisana nokuthi uyazi ukuthi kunomthetho wekarma lesikhuluma ngayo namhlanje. umthetho wekarma uthi the law of creation, impilo yakho bathi labelungu labelungu ngeke nize ningilokhu nje uzibona what are you saying ningasikhuluma isingisi man hey uthanda unginike inkinga le ntweni mina ithi into wazi ukuthi your life law of creation, your own life one law of creation under the laws of karma ithi your own life is your own doing, is the result of your own doing. Law of creation yabo when you created your life, so wazi you create your own life uzodansela isiginci sakho ngoba you have no one to blame but yourself. You don't want things to go south and then you have people to blame, so that is why you need to do things according to your own will. If kukhona do as akubo why, because it suits well, it fits well with you. So yilokho kumele ukuthi ukwazi amandla akho abuyele kuwena qala konke ukwazi ukuphila ipurpose. Ngakutshela kanjani ukuthi yenzani, ngakutshela kanjani ukuthi yenzani ekubeni ngiyazi ukuthi uzozenzani ngoba wena kumele ukuthi lento engishoyo ihambelana nawe. 3 yabo i-chart le human design likutshela i-authority yakho ukuthi ithini i-authority yakho. Akekho umuntu omele ukuthi umlalele akutshela ukuthi impilo yakhe iphile kanjani. Abantu banganika ama-advice and the past stops with you ngoba mfethu mina ungangitshela uthi changes awuhambe mfethu uyofundela i-finance yazi ukuthi yabo thank you so much ngiyabonga kakhulu nje changes awuhambe uyofundela i-finance mfethu le finance good kuyona uthola ukuthi yeah it makes sense kodwa I don't feel it, angitshela ukuthi mfethu lapha kuyaholwa noma athi nje awuthi futhi ngenze sibonele lesi athi ngikwenza i-com buka wena abo 5 i-accounting uyayazi kuyahola mase ayashoda yabo it makes sense yabo it makes sense to everyone like umuntu ofuna imali it makes sense but mase ngicheck i-authority yami ukuthi ithini authority yami I don't feel it yabo I really don't feel it, so mele ngenze njani mele ngiye khona just because it makes sense logically or I have to follow my authority and do what I like. I have to do what I like, ne? I have to do what I have to do what I feel. It designing city ufule the cosmic purpose ozoyenza la for you not to take decisions from your mind, what makes sense in your mind, but what makes sense energetically. That's what human design is all about. It's directing you to your own authority. People can advise you, you can listen to them, but the past stops with you. That's how you are going to fulfill your cosmic purpose, because energetically the energy will never ever lie. You can lie to yourself, but the energy will never ever lie. Some people may even tell you ukuthi you know mfethu you need to yabo mshadi lo muntu mfethu right buka mfethu this and that bune mali, but mfethu you know i-authority yakho ukuthi ithini i-authority yakho. My authority says, or some people will say no, don't ever take that. Let me make an example of investment. People they say don't invest in this thing is not going to collapse anytime soon, and then when I will invest based on authority, and then things go well. First awukwazi ukufulfilla le cosmic purpose yakho la emhlabeni ngokuthi ulalele kakhulu abantu. Akwazi kwenzeka lona. Uzozilana usimkhaphi uyenze ucabange into and it happens leyo nto usucabanga iyenzeka thing uyicabanga. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngama synchronicities lapha cabanga into vele yenzeka. Sibusiso Ndabandaba uthi kuyazwakala bafu. Danko siyabonga bhuti umzamo usho njalo umzamo lapha canvas all danko khuphuka lapha kusho uNkulu 9 hey Nkulu kusakwazi Sanele, I like your quotes, brother. When you say your own limitation is your own consciousness. Yeah, mfethu. Injalo nje. Ah. Angithi your own consciousness is your own limitation. Wonke umuntu phela wabona umhlaba njengalendlela oyiyona umhlaba. Ubona ngalendlela yena ayiyona. Mawugqoka izibuko eziblue, umhlaba uzoba blue. Mawugqoka izibuko eziyellow, umhlaba uzoba yellow. Mawugqoka izibuko ezimnyama, umhlaba uzoba mnyama. Umhlaba perspective ayikho external world. Khona internal world eprojected kwi-external world. Yabo? Iyona into emnandi ke ngomhlaba lo. That is why it's your own consciousness is your own limitation. Yeah, that is. When did you start to know about all of this? 2022 was my awakening. 2022 was my awakening. So kodwa mhlambe njoba sokulesi sikhathi mhlawumbe ake siqale sisukubuka kancane ngoba ikarma sesishilo vele ukarma sesithe ukukhuluma kabanzi ngekarma, and I even quoted some laws of karma in between. Changes Akasha. Hi. Thabile Kumete phakathwayo. Sibonga. We are more than welcome la. Thoko uyashaya bafo ngihlulwe ukukhipha imali kwibani girlfriend. Manje isiya ngiduba. Ukhohlo kwenzani ukukhipha imali kwi-girlfriend. Xa uGF girlfriend. Manje isiya ngiduba. Ukhipha indaba zakho la asazi. Okay. Nansi indaba. Sikhona impela mfowethu Drip King. Danke. Lucky is karma real low. Yeah, real. Like I've been alienating on karma for now. Now I wanted to go sub karma now. Sub karma. I want us to go sub karma. If I say I want us to go sub karma, change 6 months. I want to go deeper to these 12 laws of karma. Yabo. Ungasho kanjani ukuthi i-real yini karma? Ungasho kanjani kanjalo ngoba yabo lento le ikarma. Yabo le ayivele ngiyaba khona lento. Khona umuntu wacabanga ukwenza lento. Wayenza. Nansi sikhona. Lento oyibona la ikarma le. I-effect le oyibona la. Yabo? Cause was it the mental cause? Because very the universe is mental. Then this is it. The karma first. On a physical standpoint, mental standpoint, spiritual standpoint, everywhere, nothing escaped the law. Young in design of karma. Umaskulma grace law, the grace law quick karma. Eti, as you sow, so shall you reap. Loku ukutshalile ikona ozokuvuna. Wathi ngibo? Shandisa yamnanzi. Lokho okutshalile ikona ozokuvuna. Angithi? Hey mfethu, Lucas Maunde. Expensive information. Nishaya amaphakethe manje wangikhumbuza Lucas wangikhumbuza. Anishaya amaphaketheni. Lucas nginikeze ulwazi lujulile mahhala. Kwayisho umlungu ngathi umlungu into omnyama ehlabile. Ngithi yazi thina abantu abamnyama siyahlaba, sihlabela abangasekho, senze imicimbi, senze omemulo, sibiza abantu sibameme. Wathi umlungu, bonke labantu bazodla lokudla lokho. Njoba ubamemile nje. Athi umsebenzi, yes, bamemile bazodla lokudla. Athi yeah, bazokudla for free. Athi yo, black people, hey, you have money. These people, they don't pay even a single cent, but they're gonna eat for free. Yeah, now I'm giving you information for free. Kodwa ke niyazini, the information ukhiye akusekona ukuthi ifihliwe. Ukhiye sokuthi kuyazi ukuthi you are not going to believe it you are going to go your old ways, because amanga mesesho kakhulu agcine seyiqiniso, kanti impilo ayiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi what do you know about these things of us black being the Anunnaki people and all those stories? Ndumisa ngaze ngize ngifake ilokungana yami kule Anunnaki kakhulu, angaze ngigxile because there are so many mystical stories and what knows. Yeah, ngesikhathi esiningi indlela engidaleke ngayo, I'm not past based, I'm not that kind of person, I'm present and future based. I try to solve the problem now for the future, and yeah, that's how I'm created. That is my design. I'm not in the past. Yeah, I'm not even I can have some those little glimpses, but that is why mina ngisho into ekuthiwa yangihetha kakhulu in the past, anginendaba nalonto leyo, iyadlula nje indlela engidaleke ngayo, ipast ayingi-affect ngaleyo ndlela, yabo. So akagxile kakhulu ukuthi yabo nginayo nje into ukuthi sasuka la seza la sasuka la seza. That is why ngithi mina kude la sisuka khona, because I know ukuthi yeah, we are coming from far vele before we are here and we are still going far. That is why ngithi kude la sisuka khona futhi kude la siya khona. If I will go back, ngiyazi I can go back, nalo back uzongibiza ukuthi ngithi go back, nalo back ungibiza ukuthi go back, and I don't want to invest my energy in a reverse way. I want to go forward. I'm forward. Ubhuti usanele ubhuti ngicela ungichazele kabanzi lo ethi as above so below, as within so without. Yazi ukhona lo mthetho mfethu, ngakhuluma ngawo ku YouTube, ama hermetic ungasuthi nje hermetic principle by changes ku YouTube, changes akasho on YouTube, uzoyifica lonto. Ngakhuluma kakhulu, ngisazi kwakwenini mhlawumbe kwabuba ngisazi kona, kodwa nje mfethu ngakhuluma nje kakhulu, mhlawumbe kwabo February kanje, February March lapho nje. Okay, Ndumisa uthi right my brother Thabile Kumede uthi angazi ngibone ngithini wake akaze ngibonge ngithini, ake wangikhipha ehlathini. Siyabonga we nathi sakhe kwahlathi siza la ekhanyeni. Lucas uthi so are we going the other bodies after we are buried? Hayi ukuthi we are going the bodies, we are conscious age, iyona into ezosala leyo. Usanele uthi izandla zidlula ikhanda. Danko mfethu, ngangenza isibonelo sithi njengoba ngikule ndlu le, mali ezindonga zidilika zonke zo4 ispace esiphakathi khonto esiyenzayo. No, ayikho into esiyenzayo, remain space like that. So now it's just the same thing. I need body la ukuthi you are going to get a body cha. Yeah, conscious energy. We are sithembe empilweni mfowethu, mthoko danga mfowethu. Ungena kuma sub laws of karma kancane. Kakhulu amaqiniso akhulumayo ayakha. Glory to the higher power. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ukhumbuleke ngane yakwethu ukuthi if you want to do your own chart reading and take aligned decisions, uya Akashian Media .co.za. Masapha nokungibuza. Khona inamba yami. Makhona inkinga ngobhenayo lapha. Right. Great law. As you sow, so shall you reap. Uzovuna lokho okugile. As you do to others, it will be done unto you. Umthetho wekarma lo. That is a great law. Akekho umuntu ozotshala ummbila avune ubhontshisi. The energy you send out is the energy that will come back. Yes? No other way around. That's how it's balanced. That's how it's balanced. Great. So, lento ke ayigcini la kuphela. Nama past lives akho, the energy why keep will energy that will come back to counteract, yeah? You can't manipulate karma. Great minds, you can't manipulate karma. Karma knows each one of you's address. 2. The law of creation. Your life, any seed grows after its own kind. Shuthi wena impilo yakho as a result of what you have planted. Ngokuthi wena ufakeni la ikhanda lakho, ubukani, wenzani, uzi-associate nani. So impilo yakho ingredient. Ngathini ngamanye amazwi, it's a concoction. It's a concoction of things that are coming from your input are producing your life. There's no any other way. Wena impilo yakho as a result of you. You are creating your own life. Umthetho wani loyo we-karma. You are creating your own life. The law of creation there. So we are dreaming, so Lucas, we are dreaming on this earth. It's a reality in dreaming. Yeah. Yes. So uma ngabe wena ubuka izinto yabo wena mangabe uthi la ekhanda lakho uqisha into ezithile ama limits ubana nabantu abathile abakhandicapayo, abantu izinto oyifakayo wena la empilweni yakho. Impilo izokunikeza what you are, not what you want. Yes. Samukele Rendan ZN. I'm present. Thank you for it. Thank you sir. Namhlanje ke ngiyakhona ukukhandlisha ama comment eni ngoba anibhali kakhulu. Siyabonga. Now I understand. Thank you great man. Impilo will give you what you are. What you angiyazi ukuthi what ungathini uzoyibeka kanjani. Yabo kuma phambi kwesibuko. Phambi kwesibuko akuzukuvela into ehlukile kunale. La esibukweni akuzukuvela into ehlukile phambi ehlukile kunale phambi kwesibuko. Ifana nale phambi kuzovona kahle. So lokho okutholayo wena ilento oyiyona wena. Lento oyitholayo wena empilweni ilento wena oyiyona. Impilo i-reflection yakho wena lo. That is you. It's a projection field, ne? In fact, life is projected from inside out. Lo kade buza ngomthetho wani we as above so below, law of correspondence. Yona ngitsho yizo namanje yangena la. It's as above so below, as within so without. So lempilo le we conscious creator yempilo yakho. Mhlawumbe ke iningi lethu lingayicreate impilo unconscious, lingaboni ukuthi ama inputs what you take in, what you take in. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi sibonese nginje, ngisibonise ngila lotho. Ukhumbule ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ikarma yakho ingasuka back in your previous life. Ukukhumbule nalokho, kodwa nothing escapes the law. Ayikho into ekuzothiwa iyazenzakalela. Nothing escapes the law. So wena okwakho ngeke ukwazi ukushintsha i-parabda karma, ikarma yenzeka manje, but ungashintsha ama-effects. Lento ekuthiwa karma, ungashintsha ama-effect ukuthi nje manje sengidecide ukwenza ngale ndlela ngoba sengila, yabo. Kwa khona into engeke uzibalekele, ngeke khona into engeke uyibalekele ukuthi nje manje sengizola sengila. So what's next, yabo? So ke i-creation wena shintsha ama-inputs, shintsha ama-inputs mawufuna ukushintsha ama-outputs. Law of creation, law of responsibility. Yes, uthi umthetho we-responsibility, wena your life is your own responsibility. You are responsible for your own life. Akekho umuntu owenza impilo yakhe ithi benje wena, yabo. Umthetho ke loyo we-responsibility, the law of responsibility. Ukunika amandla ke lo mthetho loyo, ukunika amandla ukuthi uma uvuma wena ukuthi impilo yami inje as ngenxa yami, imina futhi engingayishintsha impilo yami. Lokho kukunikezani amandla ne-efficacy yokwazi ukushintsha isimo sakho. Kodwa ukuthi wena uthi impilo yami inje ngenxa ama external circumstances awunawo amandla okushintsha impilo yakho. Kusho ukuthi ke uyozufe kunje, yabo? Uyozufa nje ngobani? Awunawo amandla ngoba impilo yakho is run somewhere else, yabo? So if you apply this law, the law of responsibility, uzokwazi ukushintsha impilo yakho ngalendlela ofuna ngayo. Wena driver wempilo yakho. That is the law of what? Of responsibility. No one makes your life to be the way it is. Kwazi ke lokho. Mawufuna ukukuphikisa lokho ukuthi cha akusikona lokho. Mele wazi ukuthi mawukuphikisa ukuthi akukona lokho. Umani uyaphika nje. Kodwa probably your life will remain the same till you depart to the underworld. Impilo yakho izohlezi njalo, ngeke izishintshe. Kunalokho futhi mhlawumbe izoba worse, yabo? Akusiza ukuphika imithetho yendalo, akusiza indawo. Phela nje kwenza ukuthi ube nempilo miserable. Right? I law of what leyo? I law of responsibility. The law of giving and hospitality. The law of giving and hospitality. Uthini lo mthetho? Uthi uma wena ukholelwa goodwill, the act of goodwill, ukholelwa empilweni enjalo, ukholelwa kubuntu, ukholelwa kubuntu, ukholelwa ekini we need to help each other, ukholelwa empilweni yokusiza. If you are that kind of person, lo asikubone ngama actions, you need to do it. You need to do it, not to believe in it, to theorize it. You need to do it. The law of giving and hospitality. You don't need to believe in act of goodwill and ubuntu, but you don't show it. Shuthi actions speak louder than words. Ngeke usho ukuthi wena uyangithanda, ungikhonzile, uyabathanda abantu, but you do totally opposite. Lucky exi uthi good deeds. Yes. Wena izohambisana indlela wena ama beliefs nama values akho azoreflecteka. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi wena abantu yabantu abasebenza okunye lokho kwenzile lokho yikona wena ingoba uyancishana, hayi ukuthini wenze njena nje ngoba uyancishana. Shuthi isiyakuvezela ke impilo ukuthi awuyona lento wena ocabanga ukuthi uyiyona. Wena ingoba awunabo ubuntu noma uyancishana. That's what you are. You don't tell us ukuthi you believe in good deeds and all of those things, but you tell us no, we are going to see it. We are going to see it. Yabo? So that is the law of giving and hospitality. So lo nto ke bafethu umthetho loyo ne akwenzeki ngenye indlela. Umuntu oncisha nayo ngeke akwazi ukuzifihla. Ngisho engachaza kanjani, umuntu ongenabo ubuntu ngeke azakwazi ukuzifihla. Ngisho engachaza kanjani, umthetho uyakuphikisa ukuthi wena ungakholelwa kubuntu kodwa you do the opposite. Ne? Ngizokomunye umthetho futhi, still under the laws of karma. Lucas uthi so churches they teach meditation in a way of praying. So churches they teach meditation. Praying is not because universe also a law whereby when you give it gives back to you. Thanks. Kunjalo nje use. Now komunye umthetho, the law of what you call the law of humility. The law of humility. Anything you resist will always persist. That is the law of humility. Kusho ukuthi ukuze uzokwazi ukushintsha impilo yakho ibe lento oyifunayo, kumele ukuthi uvume kuqala ukuthi ayiyona lento oyifunayo. Noma ukuze uzokwazi ukushintsha i-act that you don't like in your life, kumele uvume ukuthi unayo inkinga. Kumele uvume ukuthi khona khona uzokwazi ukuyishintsha. Ngoba uma ungakwenzi lokho ngeke uzokwazi ukuyishintsha, yabo? Ngeke uzokwazi ukuyishintsha. Into ezokwenzeka ile, you will develop a negative energy around what you are trying to fight. Angithi wena uyaresist. You are going to develop a bad energy will hunt you back. Yabo? Ufana nomuntu othola ukuthi akavuma ukuthi lento imphethe kabi. Hayi udenial ukuthi imphethe kabi lento ukuthi mhlambe umuntu wakhe mhlamba akamfonelanga, yabo imphethe kabi lento ukuthi sibani bana ngangifonelanga izolo, yabo umuntu wami mama wenza ukuthi nokuthi mhlamba isithando sami lento ngiphethe kabi. Kodwa ukudenial stage, ku-denial state aka admit lonto le uzodevelopa a negative energy around that, basta may basta back again, yabo? Ngoba kumele avume ukuthi ukuthi lento le ngiphethe kabi, I need to deal with, yabo? Accept ukuthi ungabi ne-pride. Uzosuka abona ngazuthi kuyinto ephezulu ekhekeni, uyiyona into ephezulu ekhekeni ngoba nakho ik-affectile, kumele uvume, yabo? So vuma ukuthi unenkinga khona uzokwazi inkinga ukuyisolve. That is the law. U-NM with energy, you can lie to us but the universe reads your energy. That's its mfethu. Bese kube umthethwani konje, kube umthetho we patience and reward. Patience and reward. Great things of great value take time. Don't compare yourself. Stick with the process. Be better in the process. There is your goal. There is your objective. Work towards it. Stick with the process. Don't compare yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't be goal-orientated. Be process-orientated. Be better and better at what you are doing. Eventually, you will get there. So, be patient. Yours is to keep on doing what you need to do, because you are going to be distracted if you are focusing on other people. So that is the law of patience and reward. Eventually, patience will pay. Do what you need to do and filter the outside noise. Trust the process. Okay. The universe ayiwaji umuntu. It will pay off. Ayiwaji manje umuntu. It will pay off. Okay? So don't listen to people telling you ukuthi you shouldn't be here. You are old. Your time is past. This and that. Filter the outside noise and carry on doing what you need to do. Eventually, it will pay off. Just trust the process. What I told you when at the beginning of this life, I told you you need to show up. Maybe sometimes show up, but you see the results yet. There's a time that they call the plateau of latent potentials. Yabo, the plateau of latent potentials. It means if I do something now and I do it tomorrow and I do it tomorrow, those efforts, they accumulate. They are not wasted. Even if I put water on the stove, before the water before the water boils, it won't be the matter of I put them, they just boil instantly like that. No, each and every degree counts towards this water being boiled. Ne? So there's no effort elahlekayo. The bright one uthi, yes, great minds, the atomic habits. Yebo, absolutely. So keep on doing what you do. Love, patience, and reward. This information that you know, practice it. Stick, trust the process. Shuthi ngizophuma kulenkinga engikuyona budwami. Absolutely. Yabo nje ubusho njalo, it's true because there's no truth except what you believe to be true. Omunye umthetho uthini? The law of inspiration and significance, or the law of significance inspiration. Law of significance and inspiration or aspiration. That law stipulates ukuthi izenzo zethu lena ke ideal ne-individual, le ideal nathi as collective ukuthi whatever we do, it comes back and it affects all of us. We are in this together. So anything you do wena la uyenza khona, it will affect me, it will affect us, all of us in this together. So that's why important to ungacabanga ukuthi lento yenza komunye umuntu uyenza komunye umuntu, uyenza kuwena, uzenzela wena. In one way or other, it's gonna come back to you. We are in this thing together. So we are in the collective consciousness. Yabo, akekho o in isolation. So mawubulala izwe wena, uzicabangela wena, ufuna ukubenefita wena, ube right. Kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi ngokuthi wena udayisela ingane abantu izidakamizwa ngoba wena uzoba nemali, ube right. Okay, zona zidla izidakamizwa wakho. Umbuzo ukuthi wena uzophila kumuphi kumhlaba wena? Imuphi lo mhlaba uzophila kuwona? Mase zona sezidla izidakamizwa zizoqekezela ba, zizobamba imoto kaba, zizodlengula izingane kaba. Hayi zakho uzobu aba mase umesaphile kanjalo wena, uzophila kumuphi kumhlaba? Lezo zenzo zakho, izenzo zethu, they contribute to the great good of it. So kubalekile ukuthi wenze kahle ukuze nomunye umuntu ezopela leyo nto leyo. Kuhle ukwenza ngisho ingane ongayazi kwini, ungayiyekeli ingane uyizwe ukuthi ikhulumile yona, ithuka inhlamba, ithuka enye ingane, noma yenza uyekele nje wena uthi hayi ngoba kuyona eyakwami shiya kanjalo. Ngosukwenza lokho, yabo. Tshela ingane nje straight, iye wena akukhulunywa kanje, yabo. Ngoba wena uzosaka kuyona yami, angike kubhadle nokhulu. Ngelinye ilanga ngiyogana ingane yakho noma igano ingane yakho, yabo. Ngoba we are in this thing together. Law of what? Law of significance and bani and look, aspiration. Nomvula uthi I'm seeing lights and energies in the sky. Does that mean I'm awakened? We angazwe nomvula. I really don't know. I don't lie. Yeah. Ikuphe ngushilo konje. Ngithi yabona lo ugcine ngushilo. Lo ngushilo umthetho. Usifaka sonke. I think ngikubambe ke emoyeni. Ngiyabona ukuthi khona requestile la. Ubani? Yeah, ngiyakubingelela God of all
Egypt. Njani futhi njani?
siyaphila njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila. Cha ngiyakubona nehle kaHorace. Cha ngizothi wena ngilalele nje. Cebise.
Angicela ungiphindela?
Ngithi hayi ngiyakuzwa futhi ngikulalele nje ukuthi ngoba ngiyakuzwa unehlo likaHorace.
Yebo bhuti. Siyabonga.
Kodwa yami ngilalele ngizokulalela inkulumo yakho ukuphilisa abantu.
Oh, zolalela inkulumo yami yokuphilisa abantu. Oh, ufuna ukulalela khona kwi-panel.
Ngijabula khona futhi amayikapi.
Oh, okay. Hayi no. Ungakunika nje ithuba nje manje mhlawumbe ukuthi nawe kube khona okubekayo nje manje ngoba sengikushilo okuningi kwezinto. Khona ufuna ukubeka?
Angithi ngizona ngena manje, so ngizongena ngenkulumo, ngizoza inkulumo ekihamba mhlawumbe ngizojobulela khona. Ngoba ngikhona ngizwe nje manje athi umuntu wazokuza ngazi i-energy niphezulu sevukile ngathi akubi kanjalo. So ngisahlekana lokuthi uthatha kancane ukuvuka kodwa awuqhubeke kubafundisi. Ngijobela khona futhi wami.
Okay. Mhlambe ake ngoba nasi isikhashana ngiyasibona sisekhona la. Wathi ngibukela le comment Lucas uthi why whenever I dream anything about someone it happens to them within a week or a month. Yabona ke yabo nje imbuzo njengaleyo way Lucas, i-universe i-mystical ngale ndlela, nawe you are the universe on your own, yabo, at a microcosmic level. So mina nje anginikwanga ifikisi yokukwazi ukuthi ngikutshele ukuthi why it happens like that, yabo. So uma uzwa know why abaningi la kwi-universe, i-universe ibe mystical kangaka, you may end up being in a psychosis of some sort, yabo. Just live life, don't try to figure it out. Just leave it, because you can't figure life out and leave it at the same time. You are only going to do one. If you are trying to figure it out, you are not going to leave it. If you are leaving it, you are not trying to figure it out. That's it. Now komunye umthetho osalile futhi, the law of focus. Njengoba sengikhuluma lento usuyabuya lo mthetho. The law of focus. You cannot focus on two things at the same time. You cannot focus on two things at the same time. Lo mthetho uthi you can only focus on one thing at a time. So if you are focusing on bad things, you are going to see more of them. You are not going to see the good things, even though the good things are there. Life works with the balance. Good things and bad things are both equal. Good are good, bad are bad, according to your subjective judgment. There's nothing good or bad about energy. Energy is just neutral, just your own interpretation. Bias, this is good, this is bad. So when you need to focus on one thing, kulokhu ocheme nakho, to the point ukuthi what you don't want become inconsequential. Yazi usikhona umuntu ongayiboni into embi. Komuntu ongayiboni into embi ngenxa ukuthi into embi i-foreign kuyena, because yena uhlezi enza sure ukuthi focus on the side of gratitude, on the side of love and peace, making sure ukuthi yabo i-energy yakhe is well balanced, akabi na that negative energy ela evuka ngaphakathi. If those things come, because it's life, there's a law of rhythm. If those things come ezimphazamisayo, akubi ukuthi they just take zimthatha zimshonisele. Angithi phela kwi-law kuma-hermetic principles kunomthetho othini, the law of rhythm, othini, the law of compensation, ukuthi wena you need to compensate, focus on the desired reality, even though these things come that are counteracting you, but focus on your desired reality. Yabo nje mase kuthiwa nje manje umulahlekelo umuntu esixukwini, umuntu akulahlekela esixukwini abantu bebaningi, mumbonile ukuthi ngeke ugqoke isikibhe esibovu, uzobheka isikibhe esibovu, ngeke usayibona zonke lezi ikibhe eziyellow, zonke lezi ikibhe ezimnyama, ngeke usayibona, uzobona ikibhe ezibovu kuphela wena, into ozoyibona ikibhe ezibovu. So now lento isho ukuthini? Isho ukuthi now just because you are focusing on this is what you are going to see. It doesn't mean ukuthi lokho kunye opposites akukho. It just that you are not focusing on it. Khona umuntu ohleze polarizeke ngokufocus ka negative, seeing more and more of negatives to the point ukuthi akakubona okuhle ngempilo, but ikhona, it is there. Yeah, ngiyabona la niyabhala. Yeah, where attention goes, energy flows. Yeah, and result shows. Yeah, I can tell you. Uncebasi mhlawumbe khona futhi ukujobelela la, true kusho njalo lapha God mhlawumbe before kungena uncebasi, God khona ufuna ukusho we God of all. Ungakhohlwa unmute mic yakho.
Okay, but ngizama uku-add kancane ukusho kahle kahle. Akumele vele ufune yonke into kakhulu, ikwena into phakathi, ikwena kona, kodwa ngeke ukuthole kakhulu usafuna nokudla. Anibakhohlwa ukudla, ukudla kubalulekile, into izinto abayidlayo ebalulekile ukudla, ngizophela lapho nje.
Okay, right. Usho njalo ukuthi ayibalekile nokudla esikudla good people. That's what you take in, what goes out as well. Ncebasi lapha ya uncebasi ukubingelela mfethu, ngikwamukela. Ncebasi, yebo uyaphila?
Ninjani? sikhona bhuti.
Mhm.
Khona umuntu okhona lana unombuzo nje nyana.
Yeah.
Hello?
Ya ngikulalele mfethu
Yebo.
ungaqhubeka ubuze.
Ama-colours angena kanjani kwezamoya?
Ama-colours
The
like
colours.
imibala ne. Oh, ama-colours-ke mfethu representa ama-vibrational, uthi igama lika-vibrational ngeke ngikwazi ukulisho ngilokungani ngesiZulu, but ukhala urepresenta i-energetic frequency ethile. Ingena kanjalo njengokuthi nje i-low vibrational frequency, cause u-red, low vibrational frequency. Masikhuluma angithi i-energy ihamba kanje, i-energy ayikho static, i-energy. I-energy ihamba ngoba kuthiwa yonke into emhlabeni iyi-energy, yonke into iyi-energy nje emhlabeni, kumele ukwazi lokho. Bese iyashintsha into different forms, yabo. I-energy njengoba ihamba kanje, u-red awakhona ama-frequencies made, ama-waves ka-red made, shuthi i-low energy. U-red urepresent i-low energy, low vibration, that is red, survival. So kuwena u-red kunento estimulatayo, ustimulator the lower energetic center. U-red ustimulator the low, ustimulate u-red uhambisana nale energy, nale center kuwena ekuthiwa i-muladhara noma i-root le ephathelene ne-adrenaline, ne-survival, ne-stress. So that is why uthola ukuthi makumele wenze something, yabo ama-notifications efonini yakho anembala ebovu iningi lawo, if not all of them anembala ebovu wonke, because u-red symbolizes agency, acting, stress, adrenaline, root chakra and survival. So ngisho kuma-advert u-red mningi ey'tolo zokudla ubona ukuthi unganani u-red, because it stimulates your lower energetic center of survival, u-red. So u-red nje ulapho, kuye ngokuya kube khona orange ostimulator, orange that has to do with your sacral, it's higher vibrational than u-red. Kuye ngokuya kube ubani, o-yellow, o-green, o-blue, o-indigo, o-purple. So kusho ukunyuka kwe-energy, lawo ma-colours stimulator i-energy ethile kuwena lawo makhala, ngani noma kuyezwakala yini?
Yeah, yes, but what about grey?
What about u-grey? Angithi abanga ukuthi kusuke sekuyi-combination yama-colours.
Ama-colours out too, of which is white and...
Yeah, u-grey is a combination of black and white. Angithi it's a combination of black and white. Like if it's a combination of black and white is yin and yang. I cannot like say energetically speaking ukuthi there's something I can say about grey mina ngokwami myself. What I know about black and white is that there's masculine energy and then there's feminine energy. That's what I know about black and white. So mixing them, I don't have any spiritual significance I can say about it. Maybe you can say it's a unity or whatever you may say it. But looking Shilo Mina, it's based on these 7 main colors that represents the vibrational words, energies. Not unless you know something about grey, then ungasichazela mhlawumbe amakhono wazi.
No, not much, but ngicela ukubonga for today.
Okay, no, siyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Okay, last time I dreamt of opening a shop and opening it while with the week time was contracted Gorit. Siyabonga kakhulu Lucas bani Uyundwa, pardon me lapho. What should be consumed by us as abantu? Ukudla phela, it's fruit and veg, obvious. Samkele Randan is it, and I'm present, I'm calm and I'm aware. Ngiyabonga bhuti wami. Danke Samkele, danke siyabonga. ubani Triple Champ 2025, 26 special price are also red. Yes. It makes you to have this sense of agency. Ne? Red nje. On your notifications, there's red. Okay, I can see there's a request. I'm going to take it now. Dots. How can one identify it if they have reincarnated or not? It means, Pela, you need to elevate your level of consciousness to be able to access all of those things. Ne? You need to do your spiritual work. Nomvula, what about purple and green? Purple, it's high vibrational color. Purple, it's a high vibrational color, just like blue, purple. Now green, it's a high vibrational color because it's associated with your heart chakra. Green, ne? Associated with your heart chakra as well. That one. Basically, great minds, it changes. When do one see that it's enough when doing chakra balancing? Like when do you stop? Like great minds, when do you stop eating to say no? Now I'm done eating. Now I stop. I used to eat like almost every day. So it's the same thing with this thing. There's no point to say. The correct answer will be say when we are dead physically. That's when it will be enough. That is the thing. No? As long as you are still alive, it's not enough. And it's now you will eat until you die. And if you are eating, you are nourishing your physical body. If you are doing these things, you are nourishing your spiritual body. So that's how it goes. Mzamo Canvas. Thank you, Great Minds. Mzamo Canvas uthi red and yellow bawusebenzisa kakhulu endaweni zokudla. Yes, stimulate your two lower centers. Yabo, your two lower centers, activating your survival centers. Yeah. Chappy Bear, ngikubingelele ngikwamukela ngesikhathi.
Sawubona. Unjani?
Yebo sawubona. Uyaphila wena, siyaphila thina.
Hayi ngiyaphila kakhulu mfethu. I'm so glad to be in this live now. That's really nice. Angifuna ungena ezintweni kakhulu mina kudala ngikulandela yonke into yakho ngenzile ngahamba ngayo kwenza nento yami lapha yana online. Ayizange ngitshele indaba ngami the way engingakhona. Angizange ngiyiphikise ngathi nje vele nginje. So I'm so happy. Angikushiyelanga ikhofi ne, but ngisazobuyela khona ngizolahla ikhofi lapho, ngifake ikhofi la khona the way kumele kwenze ngakhona, but angithi bengisangena so ngathi hey okay sengiphakathi. Hey, ichakra lami laze langitshela indaba zami njengoba nginje. Ngiyabonga Changes, ngiyabonga kakhulu because like iconfirmile for mina, like into bengizazi vele but ngasiconfirm ukuthi hayi cha yimi nginje.
Wow.
So yeah, so every time ngiyazi ukuthi ngizoloke ngibuyela lapha ngithi izinto zamazijika ngendlela ezijika ngakhona fike ngizibone lapha ngithi vele kunjena. So ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu, ngiyabonga nje ukungibonisa nje, ungivulele nje, ungivusa amehlo avuleke.
Yeah. Siyabonga kakhulu Chappy Bear mfethu, sibonga kakhulu, and I pray to our Lord and Savior, our Creator, ukuthi le platform engiyivulile anivulele iminyango anenza ukuthi niphile an aligned life, nithathe inqumo eziyonenza ukuthi nikwazi ukufulfilla the cosmic purpose and agreement enizele la emhlabeni. That is my prayer each and every day, ukuthi inisebenzele, because that's what I want, ukuthi siphile a fulfilling life emhlabeni. Siyabonga kakhulu ngofakazi bakho Chappy Bear.
Ngiyabonga mfethu. And then also bengifuna ukukutshela, yazi mangivuka namhlanje kuseni
Yeah.
Hhayi-ke ngibe nephupho ngathi ngihlangane nawe like wena nje bekuwena-ke ephupheni ne. Hawu,
Yeah.
ngase ngajabula ukukubona ngathi mina hawu ngaze ngahlangana no-Change Zakasha but ngiyazi ukuthi khona into engitshengisa yona leyo nto ukuthi hawu waze wahlangana nomuntu okubonana so kumina ngendlela okhuluma ngayo yabo ngibonile ukuthi unama-guide mina uyi-guide yami wena you are the guy uyena muntu engaziyo ukuthi mangengezwa wena ukhuluma hayi shame yonke into ivele ithi ihlangane ngithi hawu ozoyikhuluma into engiyiphuphile noma mhlawumbe into ebengiyicabanga yabo so nje I would like to introduce myself to you to introduce you to me as my guide because I think hayi cha uvele uyibeke nje njengendlela yonke into noma ngivuka ekuseni uvele ukhulume nje uyishaya esikonkosini ngithi hayi nangu lo muntu nayi lento le engiyizwile kodwa manje kusakhona leyo nto ukuthi ngiyalahleka sometimes mangiphupha ngikhohlwe but then mangivuka ngithi hayibo ileya nto mos so ngiyabonga mfethu ngikubonga nje ukuba khona kuphela kusukona ukuthi une-responsibility yokuthi wenze kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi wena owenzayo ngiyakubonga for that.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngofakazi bakho Chappie, sibonga kakhulu. Stay guided and nje stay guided. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga mfethu so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate a lot about you. And angazi ukuthi ngaqondaniswa yini ngoba ngiyakhumbula the time uqala ukukhuluma yabo. Hayi I'm sure bekunomuntu onganakile ukuthi hayibo bosabhala kulezi zinto zakho la yabo labo ubhala khona ulokuthi buka ukuthi into yakho ihamba kanje kanje ngathi abekho abantu abaningi abayinakile lento le kodwa nje yangibamba mina ngathi hayi iyo so ngiyazi ukuthi wena uyi-guide yami so I am accepting you like that and nangendlela engikubone ngakhona mangivuka ngathi hayibo ngaze ngamphupha u-Changes hey ungibusisa kulelo phupho ungibusisa uthi nje khuleka yonke into right ngathi hayi makuyena right ngihamba ngendlela right so ngiyabonga nje mfethu ngiyayi-understand indlela manje engihamba ngayo yabo ne-chat lami mangilifunda lavele laqondana exactly ayikho nje into engiphikisile laphayana fike ngabona yonke into enjengoba iyimina ngiyabonga mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ngoba ayikho into engithe hayi mhlawumbe iyangiphikisa hayi cha ngeke nix yonke into beyinjengoba iyimina so every day I go there ngibheke ngithi okay sekhona-ke manje izinto engifuna ukuzi-understanda but ngizokubuza wena
Okay.
kahle cause ngiyabona ukuthi kunama-colours also aqondene exactly nami so sengizobuza according to ukuthi why le color inale number and ihlanganisani naleyo nto ukuze kuqondane kahle kodwa nje hayi cha ngilalela engathi ngiyahlanya cause injengami njengoba ngiyimina ngiyabonga mfethu a lot I really appreciate that you gave me a direction I already was aware of but now I know so ngiyabonga mfethu.
Now we are more aware. No, you are more than welcome. I think you have my number. It is there on my profile. You are more than welcome. I'll guide you all the way. Thank you so much, Chappie.
Ngiyabonga mfethu. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
But sisala ile lama social media ngisala nginawe TikTok sonke sila sonke ithi ngikufakele into zakho ozideservayo. Let me give you my flowers that you deserve.
Thank you. I'm honored. I'm so honored. I say yes. Thank you so much.
uNkulunkulu akubusise nje kakhulu ngalo msebenzi owenzayo. Siyabonga too much.
Danko.
Thank you.
Ngiyaye ngithi ke mangithola incomo enjalo ngithi glory to the higher power, yabo? Glory to the higher power ngoba umsebenzi wayo lo. Iyona umsebenzi wayo lo i-higher power ukuthi iguide abantwana bayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Chubby Bear, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Umsebenzi wayo i-higher power ukuthi iguide abantwana bayo through abantwana bayo futhi mos, ne? God is helping God. That's how it works. God is helping God. Kuya ukuthi uyavumana nokusetshenziswa. Ngaye ngathi kwenye video usetshenziswa imuphi umoya. Kunomoya ufuna ukusiza abantu beshine betrive bephezulu. Create a heaven on earth. Kunomoya ufuna ukuthi kube khona ama calamities, kube khona ukukhala, kube khona igqila. Usetshenziswa imuphi umoya ufuna ukusebenzela. Mina ngiyavuma ukusetshenziswa yilo kukhanya. Lo kukhanya wona engivuma ngoba uyazi na ukuthi ukukhanya nobumnyama makubekwe kanje uyavenisha ubumnyama kusala ukukhanya. Uyakwazi lokho. So uma uzosebenzela ubumnyama obviously at some point you'll be defeated. Yeah, thanks you, great, all right, ne? Siyabonga kakhulu ngegift lapho Chubby Bear. Siyabonga kakhulu. Kuzokwenzeka brother. Danko. Ya. Pinda ngiyafika la. Almighty. Uyafika. Lucas, why when I'm going something emotionally in real life I start dreaming about water in my dreams. Ngase sazi Lucas mfethu thina. Mina njengami I will never know what is happening in your own world, yabo? Because now it's your own world. I will really never know. I will be speculating to tell you. Those are good questions to ask your higher power. To kneel down with your own knees and light your white candle and ask why so 1 2 3. Bafethu ama-answers awekho ngaphandle. Ama-answers akuwena ingaphandle confirma into. Njoba umuzwa nje uChubby Bear esho ukuthi the chart confirmed these things about me. The outside world is just confirming. So the outside world should not the outside world should not dictate what is happening when. It should confirm. Outside world should confirm their inside world. Just like your chart doesn't tell you ukuthi you need to listen to so and so, you need to listen to it. Tells you, the authority tells you this is what you need to listen to. Siyamuva kuleso sikhathi sokuthi utshelwe abantu ngaphandle ukuthi what you need to do, yabo? Ndlela Ntuthuko washaya bafo. Danki Ndlela Ntuthuko. Walker RSA, booty changes. Hey, Walker RSA mfowethu. Yeah, now I'm glad that I see your account here. Yeah, injalo indaba. Cabanga ukuthi mhlambe by 10 o'clock maybe we knock off by 10 o'clock. Good people, nanti engicela ukunitshela yona mina. Nansi. Niyabona labantu laba abanabantu abakholelwa kubona. Njengami mina nginabo abantu abakholelwa kumina, yabo? Nami nginabo abantu engikholelwa kubona. Engibabiza ngokuthi ba spiritual like teachers or spiritual guiders or mentors or whatever, yabo? Those people ipower abanikezwe yona bona. Mina ngikukholelwa kwami kubona. Leyo power leyo ahamba nayo yena iyangiguide nami, iyangilekelela ngalokho. Yes, that's how it goes. Ipower iyakwazi ukubona ukuthi wena uyakholelwa kulo, bese nawe le power le eyangilanda kwa iphinde isebenzele wena futhi. Yezizwe lonto. It's even worse uma ngabe kuukuthi uzophinda futhi wena uthi go an extra mile in terms of ukuthi it's either wenza service yalowo muntu ozukholelwa kuyena noma uyanikela kulo muntu, because now it's an exchange of energy. Now you are giving something. Sekuyi contract ke leyo ke. eyibonayo ipower lona idingi nani ukuthi ngize ngiyibone kusuke sekuyi-contract mina myself as physical angikwazi ukubona yonke into but the power can see everything yabo phela le yangilanda khona le kwazi ukwenza umhlaba ukuthi ujike kanje le power le eyenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhuluma izinto engizikhulumayo that very same power esiguidayo sonke yabo so iyakwazi ukuthi ibone ukuthi lo uyakholelwa kulo yabo yabo lento ifana nani ifana nokuthi uma umuntu engakufuni uyakwazi ukuzwa ukuthi yazi lo akangifuni lo ucabanga ukuthi uzwa kanjani ngoba uyakwazi ukuzwa lo ukuthi la akangifuni lo noma uma ukuthi la endlini uyezwa ukuthi kade bengami nje kade kukhulunywa ngami la uyakwazi ukuzwa ukuthi la kade kukhulunywa ngami la ileyo power ke ngikhuluma ngayo mina ukuthi ibona 360 degrees mina wami umsebenzi mina ukuthini mina ngoba senginabantu abathi ngine-light workers karma. I see your request. I'm still going to attend to it. Ngine-light workers karma. Mina okwami ukuthi ngenze isiqiniseko sokuthi abantu abakholelwayo emandleni ekimi anginikezwe wona okwazi ukukhuluma into ethile because nginikwa amandla ukukhuluma. Izinto engizenzayo zibasebenzele. Mina lokho kumele ngiguqele, lokho kumele ngikukhulekele, lokho kumele ngikuphahlele, lokho kumele ngiyele olwandle, lokho kumele ngiyele entabeni ukuthi abantu abakholelwa kimi izinto engizikhulumayo zibasebenzele. Ama services engibarenderishisa wona abasebenzele. Nanoma inini, trust mfethu iprocess. Yes. Trust, ungabi frustrated. Ungagcini ukubamba zonke izinto uconfuse lokhu ngani cha, musukutatazela. Musukutatazela. Ugcina usuba confused. Ngishilo ngathi musukufocusa ngaphandle, utatazeliswa abantu ukuthi sebekuphi, focus endleleni yakho, yabo? Mase usuqala sewenza izinto njengo Chubby Bear njengoba kade eshithi ngakuphupha changes. Leyo nto isuke isisymbolic yokuthi umhlaba wakho ongaphandle usuyahambisana nomhlaba wakho ongaphakathi. Yes. Sekukhona iconfirmation njengamanje yomhlaba wakho ongaphandle nomhlaba wakho ongaphakathi. Usutshengisiwe ke manje ukuthi nangu kahle kahle umuntu oyiguide kuwe. Yabo? Nangu umuntu oyiguide kuwe. Kusekuvume ini i-higher power yakho, i-subconscious yakho. Yes. Ngoba i-dreaming yenza kwi-subconscious level. So sekuvunyiwe ke lapho. Sekuthikwa ama-boxes lapho. Terrible bani triple champ changes ngifuna ungazisa ukuthi izibongo zikabani ezithi ngiwunogwaja obhajwa uphinde uyiwe ngiyakutshela kunogwaja obhajwa ikhululu makhanda kanti indlonje namakhanda amabili lesithathu lenkosazana uDameli ngasho ubusika nehlobo qale ngaphuphi inyoni iphupha mihla namalanga oye ma hayi ke lapho ke baba nango 6 nango 7 hayi yeke futhi ngoba manje sosuke kungene lento ka7 ngani lento ka7 ayifuneki mase sekuno 7 so sekuliwa vele hayi bambe if you know you know if you know you know sawubona we triple champ
Yesabona but changes unjani ba?
siyaphila njani futhi
Ngiyaphila mfethu angifuni kuba mude ngoba ngiyabona isikhathi obuthe sophetha ngaso sesiya ngomsha wendoda bengifisa ukuthi ungelaphe lapho ngoba baningi abantu esengibalandlele ngawe mina ngiqale kuwena oking bhaka ngiyazi ukuthi ngiza kubona nje ngisuka kwakho umuzi mfethu wonke umuntu ophuma kwakho umlomo mangimlandela ngiyakhuphuka ngolwazi nokungesabi nje ehambweni lwempilo lapho so khona le video yakho mhlawumbe uyifake ensukwini ezimbili ezedlule ezikalona ogwaja lo ngase ngisala ngididekile ukuthi ngizolithola kodwa ithuba ngiyazi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani ngoba lowo muntu wayi ngingakamlandeli lowo muntu lo
obhajwa ikhulule hayi uyena uking bhaka unogwaja obhajwa ikhulule
oh shoot lezi ibongo zakhe bengakazizwa ke hayi ngiyabonga mtaka baba bengifuna ukubuza kulokho mfethu
yebo kunjalo nje mfowethu siyabonga hawu yena nje unogwaja obhajwa ikhulule uking Changes, Charlotte's changes. How do I manifest new job that pays me my desired salary? By not being attached to it. That is the first point. By not being emotionally attached to it so much. Because attachment like that will be detected as lack, that you are lacking. The universe will not give you something that you don't have. Before the universe gives you physically, it first gives you spiritually. So if the universe magnifies what it detects on you, so if it detects lack that you are lacking, it will give you more of that. So Kale, you need a spiritual and energetic alignment to that job before you get it. Preacher kids, isikhathi ke sisishayile one. So Preacher kids, Sabona, what's your thoughts on Bani? 29 June until June 2030 CERN. Yileyo mina mfethu angiyazi lonto leyo Preacher kid. CERN le ezo shut down ngo 29 June. Angiyazi mina ngiphila komunye umhlaba yabo. Ngiphila komunye umhlaba. Angazi lutho nje mfethu ngalezo zinto mina. Mina nje ngisabheke lokho ukuthi kusamele ngi-achieve izinto efuna ukuyi-achieve nje finish. Ngoba into engiyaziyo mina ngalezi indaba. Lezi indaba lezi zikulethela ifear, lezi indaba usothi ezinye ngezi zenzeke, ezinye they are just instigating something within you so that you are going to react it in a certain way. So ignorance is bliss for me, yabo. Manje inkabi yami lento ye gambling vele ihamba kanjani? Akekho umuntu ozoba rich nge gambling. 1 in a million chances. Ilokho nje ngakutshela wona. Lucky XYZ. Siyabonga mfowethu. Danko energetic manipulation, machinery upgrades in Swaziland. Hayi angazi kwanto mfowethu. Angazi andizingeni andizi bandla. Ngithi whoever who controls the world, let him or her control it. I'm controlling mine. Yabo. NM, that's why I don't do current affairs. Give no room to negativity. Yebo. Preacher kid, currently we are in divine timing. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to focus on looking inside of focus upon. I don't give anything any attention. In the middle years, izoziletha la kimi ngizoyazi vele. Anyway, I'm guided. Maye ngihambe ngiyifuna into la ikhona. Where do I see my charts? www.akashenmedia.co.za. Ungabhala Akashen Media ku Google uzo first option yona. Hey Fez.
Sawubona bhuti njani?
Yaphila njani?
Siyaphila. No, bengithanda kubonga. Like, thank you so much. Ngithe mangicala my journey of spiritual awakening. My video wakho avele a pop up nje on my timeline by coincidence, but wanginike information ne guidance lebe ngiyithenga at that particular time. Nebantu labanye lengabafollowa to get more information and what to do. Nokuthi align njani peace, positivity, my affirmations, watching what I eat, nokuthi letinto ngidikhipha kanjani mase ngididlile, my negative thoughts, all of that. Bengithanda nje ukuthi ngiyabonga, keep it up, uchubeke njalo usebenzele universe, and nayo ichubeke ikubless njalo. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you for the compliment. Stay guided. Siyabonga kakhulu. Hey Face.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Good people. Let me love you and leave you. Don't forget, you live uzokwazi ukuthola maso uploadiwe ku Changes Akasha on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe on Facebook. I'm Changes Akasha Rebirth for human design chart reading. If you want to know more about yourself, your energetic configuration, taking aligned decisions, akashenmedia.co.za. let me love you and leave you. Inkosi insikelele ebusuku benzolo.